Before moving further to the video, I wanna say thanks to Unacademy for sponsoring this video. Unacademy is the largest learning platform in India and is conducting ULAT mock test on this Saturday on their YouTube channel. It will be beneficial for the students aiming for CLAT 2021. Unacademy also offers prizes for the mock test winners. If you rank between top 5 positions, then you will get 5000 rupees Amazon gift voucher and 3000 rupees gift voucher for ranking between 5 to 10. For more information, check the first link in the description. The real power of silence is hiding deep down inside every one of us. It is mainly connected with the ability to recognize the situation we are getting into and crucial for our self-improvement. The ability to be silent is worth gold. Why? First of all, it is polite to be silent when someone is talking. You don't want to interrupt someone. Instead, practicing silence will allow you to really explore what listening is all about, and you can't do that with a noisy mind. If you find yourself in a difficult situation, it's better to stop for a moment and think about the possible way out. Being silent gives us an enormous advantage, and instead of panic and filling our head with noise, we are able to solve the problem better. It is better to remain silent than to talk about things you are not qualified to discuss. People often want to be included in the conversation even if they are not qualified to talk about it. It doesn't make any sense to discuss things we are not informed about. If you want to be treated with the respect, it is recommended to talk about things you are informed. Besides, a lot of useful pieces of information passes right in front of our noses without noticing them. Because we were talking at the time they came. Enjoying the power of silence is an art. Not everyone is capable of enjoying the silence, and if you do know how to enjoy it, you are pretty lucky. Fast life brought us a lot of money and unfortunately a lot of stress, pressure and depression. My recommendation is meditation. Cause not just you are going to rest your brain, but it will give you the opportunity to work out your mental strength. You should be able to notice the progress in just couple of days. If you don't have anything smart to say, then don't. Think before you speak, listen more and enjoy the moment. Life can test us in many different ways, and we are here to react on those tests in the proper way. The power of silence gives us the strength to maintain order in our lives, and we should definitely use it. Thank you.